So when people hear the word root canal treatment, a lot of fear and anxiety goes into that. I even had to have a root canal a couple years ago, and I was like, oh boy, okay. But one of the things that we've realized, being a practice dedicated just to doing root canals, is that a lot of patients have anxiety just in general about going to the dentist. Either as a child, they maybe saw a dentist that might have been a little bit rough. They might have been told that when they felt pain that the dentist was just going to hurry up and try and get through the procedure. And so the result of that is a lot of patients feel like when they walk into a dental office, let alone a root canal office, that it's a very, very fearful place. And with today's technology and the extra training that endodontists get in anesthesia and being able to completely numb a tooth, the science and background have allowed us to predictably make sure that patients are completely comfortable. And in our practice, one of the things we tell patients is that you are in control. We are not going to do anything that you say is not okay. We are going to totally stop if there's anything that might bother the patient. But even prior to that, we really focus on getting anxiety out of the way using laughing gas and also conscious sedation, which is a Valium-like drug, which works very great and just kind of takes all the anxiety away. And patients who are very uptight and nervous absolutely just sail through the procedure just great. We call it conscious sedation because we can kind of nudge the patient and say, hey, are you doing okay? And they'll kind of wake up and they say, yeah, I'm doing fine. And so we keep close pulse oximetry to make sure that the oxygen levels are good, and we're monitoring blood pressure and watching breathing as we're doing that procedure. But when our typical procedure is about 45 minutes, we're able to get patients through comfortably and get patients through that. So we always tell the patient, you are in control. If there's anything that you need, you just raise your hand and we respond immediately to make sure that the patient is completely comfortable.